Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, is a skincare routine. I have been wanting to do this video for so long. I love skincare. I'm obsessed with my skincare. I do it obviously every single day and night. Today's video is going to be my daytime routine. I love a very glowy, dewy finish to my skin. I'm all about using good quality but simple products. I switch them out all the time. So I'm the type of girl that I will finish out a serum before I open a new one for the most part. Some things, yes, are holy grails, like my cleanser. I usually use the same cleanser. Moisturizers, I'll keep, you know, the same kind of moisturizers, but a lot of the serums and things like that, I like to switch it up. I feel like my skin gets used to it. I like to try something new, and I think it's fun, and I get sent a lot of products, so I'm all about it. And then you know right away if something's working for you or if it's not. So if you guys want to see how to get dewy, glowy skin from within, keep watching. Okay, first thing I'm doing when it comes to my skincare is I'm always cleansing with the Youth to the People. I use this or the Aven. It's the blue one, the very gentle, simple cleanser. I love a simple cleanser that takes off your makeup or just makes your skin feel refreshed. I love this after the gym. I love it after a long day. Amazing cleanser. If I'm wearing a ton of makeup, that's when I usually oil cleanse because I feel like I need to double cleanse. I use this Anua Heartleaf Pore Controlling Cleansing Oil. This is good if you want a cleansing oil that isn't going to break you out, because I feel like this takes off all my makeup, but it does not make my skin feel oily. It doesn't leave a film. It doesn't give me any breakouts, which I have experienced with other cleansing oils in the past. Next thing I'm taking is my Tatcha. This is the Essence. I just use this as a toner. I take some in my hand, rub it together, and pat this onto my face. This product is so nice. It feels like a drink of water for your face. Next, I'm taking my Dr. Diamond. This is their plasma serum. This stuff is incredible. This is really what's gonna give you that like glass skin from within type of look. Next, I take something hydrating. For a while, it was my Clinique Double Serum. I just ran out of this. It's like completely empty. Right now, it's the Superfood Skin Drip from Youth to the People. Take that, take a nice pump, and again, pat that into my skin, always on my neck and chest as well. Then I take this Lancome Genifique. I love this. Again, it's something that just keeps my skin super hydrated. Sometimes I use a vitamin C. I don't do vitamin C every single day. If I feel like I have more hyperpigmentation, I will use this, but I am careful of using a vitamin C if I know I'm going to be getting sun exposure that day, because I feel like it can make your skin a little bit more sensitive. So I am going to be in the sun today a little bit more. I'm going to make sure to use my sunscreen, but if I wasn't, if it was like a more cloudy day, I would use this. Okay, now for our moisturizer combo. This is what I use to give me that like glowy, glass skin, beautiful sheen without having to use a makeup product for that. So I use the Youth to the People Superfood Air Whip Moisture Cream, and then I mix that with this Chanel Sheer Healthy Glow Highlighting Fluid. These products together, amazing. This will last you your whole life. Like, I swear this lasts forever. So basically, here's what I do. I take a healthy amount of my moisturizer, because you want enough for your face, your neck, and your chest. I'm a big, anything that's like on my finger, I'll just put right on my neck and chest. And then you take a pump of this guy. See, like just like that, mix them together, and it creates almost like a tinted moisturizer, but it's really just a sheen. My skin can get very dry. The glow you get from this and the hydration is just amazing. Rest can go on the hands because we want to also hydrate our hands. Then I love this product to just comb through my eyebrows, especially if I'm not wearing makeup that day. It's the Typology Peptides and Castor Oil. This is like a natural eyebrow and lash serum. I'll put this on my lashes at night as well, but during the day I just like to do it in my eyebrows. Then I take my Colleen Rothschild. This is the Illuminated Tinted Eye Cream. This stuff is incredible. It looks like you put concealer under your eyes. Like, I swear, look at the difference instantly. It makes it look like you slept for 70 million hours when Lord knows I did not. Lip mask, always lip mask instead of just a regular lip balm. I love the Laneige. Right now, I'm loving the loops. I also love Fresh as well. Next, I take a sunscreen. Right now, my absolute holy grail is this Kopari Spray Sunscreen. This makes wearing sunscreen so fun and so easy. And I actually am genuinely motivated to put on sunscreen every day because this product makes your skin look incredible. I spray it all over. It acts like a body glow and a face glow. Look at that. Look at that sheen. Like, that is insane. That product, a game changer. That is my everyday morning, daytime skincare routine. Sometimes I switch it up, I add new products, but my main thing is like a really gentle, simple cleanser, a hydrating toner. I always like to use something for skin texture or just for hydration, for plumpness. I layer a couple serums. I used to be afraid to do this, but as long as there aren't ingredients in them that are like working against each other and can be harmful to your skin barrier, I think it's okay to mix products. And my skin has reacted really well to this, so take this with a grain of salt, but this is what I've been doing. I'm also obsessed with red light therapy lately. I have been wearing my red light mask religiously. If you guys want me to go into more detail about red light therapy and what this does, I use red light for like when I'm breaking out. I use it for when I want extra glow, help my hyperpigmentation, when I want just overall my skin to look amazing. If I'm consistent with red light, I swear it's a game changer. So happy to go into detail with that. And then I love a super glowy hydrating moisturizer, a nice under eye cream, and sunscreen, of course. That is my full daytime skincare routine. Let me know if you would like me to do a nighttime version. I love you guys.